What's up YouTube, it's Nejc Filipič here. Check out these guys. Today I bought a Ring LED circle for selfies. So let's unbox it and see where this is gonna go. Okay guys, so that's the package and it says LED ring. So let's unbox it. Okay, so this is the stand. This is the LCD ring with the phone, and that's all in package. Okay, so that's all package. Let's see how it looks. This is RGB colors inside. And let's try it on the phone. Okay, so we're gonna turn on the light. And here we go. Oh yeah, RGB light all around the ring. Okay guys, so that's it. My name is Nejc Filipič, guys, and until next time, goodbye.